Man, Steve, I was reading this article saying that by 2030, most Gen Z and millennials in the US will be financially underwater. Between the housing market and student loans, I feel like I'm just spinning my wheels. I saw that too, Brad. It's the new survival era. With inflation outpacing the federal minimum wage and even entry-level salaries, the old work one job and retire at 65 dream is basically dead. Exactly. And I'm stuck in the middle. My parents didn't save enough for retirement, so I'm helping them out with their medical bills while trying to save for my own future. It's like I'm being squeezed from both sides. That's the sandwich generation trap. It's a huge issue here. But honestly, the first thing you've got to change isn't your bank balance, it's your mindset. You have to stop the victim mentality. If you accept that you're just stuck, you'll never see the exits. Easy to say, but how do I actually get out? I'm working 40 hours a week and I'm still living paycheck to paycheck. In this economy, a side hustle isn't an option anymore. It's a requirement. Look at the gig economy or freelance platforms like Upwork or Etsy. You have to leverage your skills outside of your 9-to-5. If you only have one stream of income, you're one recession away from disaster. So work more? When do I even sleep? It's about working smarter. You need to increase your earning power by learning high-value skills like AI or digital marketing. But more importantly, you need to fix your cash flow. Most Americans spend first and save the leftovers. You have to flip it. I can barely afford rent in this city. How am I supposed to invest? Start small, even if it's just $50 a month into a Roth IRA or an index fund. Have you heard of the eighth wonder of the world? It's compounding interest. If you start now, time does the heavy lifting for you. If you wait until you're 40 to start, you'll have to work twice as hard for half the result. So what's the end goal? Working until I'm 80? No, the goal is financial independence. Retirement shouldn't be an age, it should be a number. You want to reach a point where your passive income, from your 401k, real estate, or stocks, covers your living expenses. That's when you're truly free. You work because you want to, not because you have to. I guess I need to stop looking at my bank app and start looking for a way to level up my skills. Exactly. Don't just save for a rainy day. Invest for a sunny future. Check out some financial literacy workshops or even free resources from local foundations. The information is out there. You just have to be hungry enough to go get it. Thanks, Steve. I think I've got some planning to do.